guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new here on my channel, here in this channel we talk about everything from hair, fashion, and pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, it is officially fall, but it's not really fall until A, gets cold, and B, Bath and Body Works puts their candles on sale. So it is fall candle season at Bath and Body Works. I also picked up some body splash. I'm really into rose fragrances these days, so let's just start with that. When these items were on sale, it was buy two get one free or buy three get three free. So I did the buy two get one free. So I got the matching fragrance, the Rose. It's all what it's called. It's literally called Rose. It's a pretty nice pink packaging. It's an airy rose water blend with jasmine petals and creamy musk. It really smells like, if you like the smell of rose water, it's not like that granny rose where it's overpowering. It's a very light, fresh, kind of like a rose water-ish, but fragrance body splash, and I really like that. So I bought these two, and let me show you the other. And I got this lotion for free. So I purchased the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte 24 Hours Ultra Shade Body Cream. Ooh, that's a long title. But this fragrance, it is pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. It smells delicious, and oddly enough, it pairs well with this rose fragrance. So I like to layer. So I'll shower with the body wash. I'll get out of the shower, dry off, put on some Lolo, and then I'll spritz on some rose on top of it. So it kind of has all the fragrances together, and it, oddly enough, it smells like really good, sis. And I feel like the lotion makes it last longer. Alright, so those are the three body things, and now let's on to the main event, the candles. This really sweet lady, I don't know who this lady was, but she was leaving the store, and she gave my mom a 20% off coupon. My mom already had one, so she gave it to me. So not only were these on sale, I got an extra sale on top of the sale, because you know, your girl is a bargain shopper, okay? Alright, so let's get into the fragrances. The first one that I've burned so far is the Bourbon Maple in this kind of blue flannel kind of pattern. It smells so heavenly. At first I couldn't smell it, but it took maybe a few minutes for it to start throwing the fragrance. And it is, let's see how they describe it on here. It is a barrel-aged bourbon, sugared amber, and maplewood. It basically just smells like pancakes with maple syrup. Delicious. And it fills the entire room and pretty much my entire upstairs, or if I have it downstairs in the kitchen, it fills the kitchen. So it's got some good throws, sis. Alright, so I didn't get very many candles. The next one is Marshmallow Fireside. Yum, yum, yum. And for those of you who don't know, Marshmallow Fireside, it's a toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. This one literally smells like a mixture between a men's fragrance and a firewood smell. If those two correlate, it smells like a sexy man to me. I'll just put the last two. The last two, this is a super small, super quick haul. The last two are my very favorite, all-time favorite fragrance of all time, Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. This smells exactly like it sounds, like a pumpkin, like a pecan, and a whole waffle. This one has maple syrup notes, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. Those are the fragrance notes. The throw is amazing. This one fills up my entire place. Like, I will probably do another Bath and Body Works haul during Christmas time because I love their, what's that fragrance? I love Balsam. That's another one of my favorites, but it's more of like a Christmas tree smell, and I'm not really in the mood for Christmas trees yet. This is it for the fall Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite fragrance from Bath and Body Works, either body fragrance or candle fragrance, because I could always use any fragrance. Alright, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and again, if you haven't already, sis, subscribe, bruh. Subscribe, cousin. Come on, let's do this. Alright, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.